Hi, my name is Art Pennington, and been working on the Trident Farm website for a while, and we've got a new feature available to enable you to schedule lessons, writers to be able to schedule lessons, and I want to show it to you. The website here is Trident, if you don't know, is tridenthunterjumpers.com. Now I've got the little mouse pointer modified with a red circle around it. And I'm not going to go to full screen here just because when I do the circle goes away. I don't want to keep the circle because it helps you see where I'm pointing the mouse. Anyway, so tridenthunterjumpers.com is the website. And first thing you need to do is create um, a user ID, and I'll show you how to do that. But first, I want to explain that the website is what they call responsive, so that what's displayed on the screen is responds to the size of the screen. So if we were to take this particular screen and make it more narrow, you'll see that what's displayed on the screen changes. Instead of the video, if it's narrow enough for a phone, you'll see a picture instead of the video. So that's what I mean by responsive. And also when it's scrunched down like on a cell phone, instead of having the regular navigation bar up there, it changes to what they call a hamburger. I guess that's why it's called a hamburger, because it looks like a hamburger. But anyway, if you're using it on a cell phone, you'll have the hamburger, and if you click on that, then it opens up the navigation. So it's same as the widescreen, except its user interface is a little different as far as getting to the navigation. All right, and each feature that I demonstrate here, I'll make the screen narrow just so you can see how it would look on your cell phone and how it would work. So all of the features work on the cell phone or a wider screen or iPad or whatever. So, okay, the first thing you do to create an account is to log in. Click the login. Um, and what will appear is a login screen, no, login panel to enable you to log in if you already have an ID. If you don't, then you click on the little red sign up there and it'll enable you to create an ID. And you do that by entering your name. Let's just make it a happy student or happy writer, whatever, a happy student. And it's going to want your email. There's currently no editing for the email, so you can enter whatever, but I appreciate if you create your real or enter your real email here, and you create a password. I want you to confirm the password just to make sure you didn't mistype it, and then you click the sign up button and it'll create an account for you, log you into the system. Oh, see, two passwords don't match. I don't know why. I guess I miskeyed something. So that works. How about that? Try that again. And we've got an account now. The browser asked me if I want to save the password. So, yep. Okay, we've got an account now, and we're at the home screen and logged in to the website. And you'll notice one thing that's new on the navigation is Happy's account. So you can get to your account by clicking on this button. And it brings up a little panel with three options. You can update your account, which currently we're going to be adding more and more features to this, but currently the only thing you can do on updating your account is change your name. So Um, that's a little useless for now, but it'll become more important later. And two other things you can do is you can schedule a lesson, and you can look at scheduled lessons that you have scheduled for yourself. So let's first schedule a lesson. Brings up a screen whereby you do three things. Basically, you select a trainer that you want to use. Let's just select Paula, for example, and select a day that you want the lesson. So just pick Thursday, October 3rd. Then it will open up a little panel on the right showing you all of the available time slots for lessons. Right? Any that are not available will be grayed out like that. It's also a possibility that some time slots will be reserved. For example, if it's a writer that has a lesson on the same day and time every week, then it will appear in brown. These little color codes up here indicate what they mean. Green means the slot is available. Yellow means that it's selected. So if we were to select that, it would be yellow. Gray means it's taken, such as this one is 7:30. And brown means that it's a recurring lesson, and that slot won't be available even next week. All right. So to schedule a lesson, we select the time we want. Let's say 9 a.m. We select it, and it turns yellow. So it means we selected that particular time of the day, and then we scroll on down. One thing we can do is add a note. If you want to write a note to the trainer, you just type in whatever you want to say and then click close. You got the little icons up here to help you key data in. Okay, so note is added. Now we want to click the instruction here is the submit click button. Click the submit button to schedule a lesson with Paula on October 3rd, just to confirm what we've got set up here. Then you click the submit button, and we get a confirmation. Confirm the lesson with Paula on October 3rd, 2019, 9 a.m. You can click a red X if that's incorrect, or you can click the green check mark to actually schedule it. We'll just click the red X first of all, and let me show you what this screen would look like on your phone if you were using the phone. So basically what happens is if we narrow the screen, the panel on the right flips to the bottom, and you can see that if you bring up your phone, you'll have the hamburger for navigation, but the panels don't change. They're the same. Here you select the trainer and select the date, and then you scroll on down and you select the time slot you're interested in, and then I don't know, see, it's all the same. So anyway, I just wanted to show you what to expect if you're doing this on your phone. Okay, so we click the submit button. We actually want to schedule a lesson this time, so we click the green check mark, and it schedules the lesson and gives you a confirmation at the top. Lesson scheduled for October 3rd, 2019, 9:30. Okay, we're done. That is how you schedule a lesson. Now, the other option is to look at scheduled lessons for yourself. So if you click the scheduled lessons, and you can select the months. We can spin forward to the next month, November, nothing scheduled, back to September, or back to October, and we have a lesson scheduled, and you'll see that it's displayed. All of your lessons that you've got scheduled will be displayed on the month here with the little green bar, and on the right there'll be a list of them, and this is the one we actually scheduled at 9 a.m., not 9:30, with Paula, and that's the note we entered, note to trainer. And if this is incorrect, you can delete it, or if you change your mind about the lessons, you can delete it. Just click the trash can, and it will want a confirmation that you actually want to delete that lesson, click the red X to just go back, or you can click the green arrow or the green check box to actually delete the lesson. I don't want to do that. I want to show you what it looks like the narrow screen again. So we go narrow, and you'll see same as before. Little box goes underneath, and you can navigate it on your cell phone. So it works both ways. Okay, so that's it. You can stay logged in if you want. So the next time you go in here, you'll still be logged in. That doesn't hurt a thing. You can stay logged in, or you can log out. So that's it. Please feel free to use the lesson scheduling feature. If you have any questions at all or any problems at all, please let Pam or Paula or myself know, and we'll address it right away.